Two leading AI tools. One, epic showdown. Runway versus ElevenLabs. Which one really delivers? On the left, Runway, creative AI for filmmakers. On the right, ElevenLabs, voice your imagination with cutting-edge audio. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to the real features. We'll score each category, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, before we get deep into it, here's a mind map of everything we're going to compare. We've got video generation, audio and voice, pricing and access, and ease of use. That should cover all the big things creators and, well, anyone messing with AI tools usually care about.
All right, first up, let's talk video generation, because this is where Runway absolutely flexes. Like, the AI tools here are next level. Think cinematic video generation, tons of editing features, and honestly, it feels pretty advanced. But heads up, if you're brand new, the learning curve, it's kinda steep. Oh, and one quirk is there's no native audio stuff built in, so you'll need another tool for sound. On the flip side, ElevenLabs doesn't actually do video generation. That's not their thing at all. It's a total win for Runway in this category, no contest. Switching gears to audio and voice, now Runway honestly just sits this one out. It doesn't do voice or audio. If you need some slick voices, you're going to look elsewhere. But ElevenLabs, this is where it really shines. State-of-the-art text-to-speech, super smooth voice cloning. It's actually kind of wild how natural it sounds. The only catch is it's really focused on audio, so you can't use it for much beyond that. So here, ElevenLabs absolutely takes the crown. All right, now, money talk. Pricing and access. Runway offers a free plan, which is sweet for testing the waters. And if you want all those advanced features, you can jump to a monthly sub. The only thing I'd say is, when you climb up those tiers, it starts to get pricey. So double check if it fits your budget. ElevenLabs, on the other hand, has pretty flexible pricing. Usually comes out more affordable if you're just dabbling as a casual user. But not every plan is perfect for everyone. Honestly, the edge goes to ElevenLabs here for making things more accessible. Hold up. Did you know? AI video and audio tools are literally changing how creative industries work. The kind of stuff you can do with these, it wasn't even possible just a couple years ago. Let's talk about ease of use. Runway's got a ton of guides and is awesome if you already know what you're doing, but if you're a complete beginner, it's gonna feel a bit overwhelming at first. ElevenLabs, though, it's kind of plug and play. Most folks can figure it out quickly. The only thing, if you want to get really complex with it, you'll bump up against its limits. Still, for day-to-day stuff, ElevenLabs is, like, super straightforward. So, once again, ElevenLabs snags another win. So, zooming out for a second, if you look at the radar chart, Runway spikes in video capabilities, while ElevenLabs is all about audio. Pricing and ease of use, well, ElevenLabs gets the nod for most folks. So, what's the big takeaway here? If you love making videos, maybe you're a filmmaker or just want some sick editing tools, Runway is totally your playground. But if you're all about realistic AI voices and cloning, ElevenLabs should be your go-to. Pick your lane, honestly. It depends on your vibe and your projects. Want to keep exploring? There are tons of AI creative tools out there that can seriously boost your projects. Go check them out and see what else is out there.